Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will try to repair a very common problem, the squeezing disc brakes. Let's remove the brakes. There is a small thing here you have to remove. This, don't forget it. This is for safety reasons. So keep this. You need in these brakes Allen screw, Allen wrench. You untighten this to take out this bolt that secures the brake pads. This is it. Keep it near this and you squeeze a bit and you take it out. This is the way that you can remove easily the brake pads without removing the wheel. Okay, let's check a bit. Very dirty, this black thing. I don't know why it is like that. Probably we need to clean also the rotor with alcohol, and we will make a small trick at the brake pads. So let's take the brake pads with the sandpaper. You see, all the dirty is on the sandpaper. Look how clean it is now. Let's do the same with the other pad. You can see how dirty it is, and we will refresh it here. You see, very clean, but this is not enough. We have another trick. Stop. Take the nail polish, put a bit here and start cleaning all the disc. Be careful not to put some liquid on the frame. Okay. And be sure to remove all the dirt from this part. Turn around the wheel to deep clean everything on your rotor. Okay, now everything is clean, and the rotor and the brake pads, we install this special part here. You see the L, this means left. And now we will make a small trick. We will try to install the brake pads without removing the wheel. You see, it's very easy. Don't forget to install the screw here and start tightening. Very nice. And this safety clip here, like this. Very nice. It seems that it is working. So now what we have to do is go out for a ride to check if the brakes are squeezing. Yeah, the brake is working perfectly, no noise at all. So this was the easy fix. So if you like the video, don't forget like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.